Hello everyone, how are you doing in your life? I hope you are doing great things and living your life to full potential. And if not, then you are definitely going to do because आज मुझे ये बात समझ आई कि कुछ चीज़ें हमारे हाथ में नहीं होती. चीज़ें होती हैं, कभी कभी बहुत दर्द होता है, कभी कभी लाइफ नॉकआउट करती है, बट यू जस्ट हैव टू stand up again for yourself and take a stand for yourself and get back to your feet and तुम्हें दुनिया को जवाब देना that hey, maybe I was knocked out, maybe I didn't feel well, maybe it wasn't my time, but now I'm back with that enthusiasm, with that energy. So I hope if life's knocking you down, you're watching my video, getting motivated and being ready to again hit back for life. Because एक दिन मैं वीडियो नहीं बना पाया बिकॉज ऑफ सम हेल्थ इश्यूज, मेरी नींद पूरी नहीं थी एंड आई वाज लाइक फीलिंग लाइक अ मैनियक. But it's okay, no issue, I'm back with it and I hope you are going to and we are going to achieve things together. So let's get started for today's news or the thing or for today's content. Let's get started for it and let's see what we can learn from it. Wait. तुम्हें इस वीडियो को यहाँ से आगे देखने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं है ये जानने के लिए कि इंडिया का इस टाइम पे क्या सिनेरियो चल रहा है एंड ये मीम जो है वो उससे ज़्यादा इतना रिलेट क्यों कर पा रहा है एंड वाई इज दिस वन ऑफ द मीम्स हु डिपिक्ट्स द इंडिया द मोस्ट प्रिसाइज एंड इन द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल वे. यू डोंट नीड इवन टू थिंक अबाउट इट, यू जस्ट हैव टू रीड द लाइन, थिंक कि इसमें एक एक वर्ड का क्या मतलब है एंड उसको बस ये सोचना है कि इंडिया में उस वर्ड का क्या मतलब है. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई सेड ब्रेड, क्या मतलब है, सर्कस क्या मतलब है, नेवर रिवॉल्ट का क्या मतलब है एंड व्हाट्स द गवर्नमेंट इज गिविंग इसका क्या मतलब है. यू विल जस्ट इमेजिनिंग द सिनेरियो बट स्टिल आई एम लेटिंग दिस वीडियो आउट फॉर यू टू मेक यू रियलाइज दैट these things are also happening. Okay, see.
देश के 80 करोड़ गरीबों को मुफ्त राशन देने वाली योजना को भाजपा सरकार अब अगले 5 साल के लिए और बढ़ाएगी.
आपको 5 किलो मिलता है, हम आपको 10 किलो राशन और दाल देंगे. दाल और तेल राशन कार्ड होल्डर्स को देंगे.
So yeah, this is the stand of what I am trying to say to you. But अगर आपको ये देखने के बाद भी ये लग रहा है कि भाई सारी चीज़ें बेस्ट है एंड अगर आपको मान लो जब मैंने ये चीज़ कही थी कि आपको सिर्फ उसके वर्ड समझ कर ही चीज़ें इमेजिनेशन आने लग जाएंगी इंडिया के कॉन्ट्रास्ट में, देन कोई लग रहा होगा कि भाई कुछ भी बोल रहा है. और अगर आपको तब भी ये चीज़ नहीं आई और जब मैंने वीडियो दिखाई, अगर आपको तब ये चीज़ समझ नहीं है, इट मीन्स आप अनलॉक हो चुके हो. कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस. बिकॉज द थिंग इज दैट if you are not going to understand from this, you are not going to understand from anything, because this is one of the things which is going to change your life. Last video in my previous video I just told you that ask question, and this is the same thing to depict you, which is stopping you from questioning the situations. If you give bread and circus to the people, they will never revolt. Okay, how depthful this meaning is, because the thing is कि इंडियन गवर्नमेंट जो है वो कोई भी पार्टी हो, चाहे बीजेपी हो, आम आदमी हो या फिर कांग्रेस हो. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कांग्रेस और बीजेपी का मैं मान सकता हूँ 10 साल से वो लोग फ्री बीज के पीछे ज़्यादा पड़े हुए एंड दे आर डूइंग दिस टू अटेन एवरीवन्स अटेंशंस एंड वांटिंग देम टू बी द पार्ट ऑफ इट, wanting them to vote on the name of a ration, free chawal, on everything and free. They don't want people to work. Okay, that what their motive is. But Aam Aadmi Party, I didn't really expect that from it. That's my own point of view. Because the thing is that from very start of the journey, I just have seen that this one of the party which have the potential, which could have, if they could have the fund, they could arrange more MLAs and do more benefits to the government, to the population, to the pupils, to the janta. But the thing is, they have lost the recent elections, and they are also promoting the freebies that we are going to give this. And I was like, I'm completely disappointed with this, because nobody wants freebies. The person who really wants development don't want freebies, but the person who don't want to see the truth wants the freebies to hide it. For example, I will just get an example from this topic aside. एक एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं छोटा सा. अगर कोई बहुत बड़ा इन्फ्लुएंसर आके ये बात बोलता है कि भाई सुनो, कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है एम्प्लॉयमेंट की, कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है तुम्हें काम करने की, तुम बस नेताओं की रैली में जाओ, वहाँ पे नारेबाजी करो, तुम्हें दिन की दिहाड़ी मिलेगी, तुम्हें कोई काम नहीं करना, ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं करनी, एंड कोई शर्म नहीं है ये काम करने में, तुम्हें अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट रहने में कोई शर्म नहीं है, तुम्हें बेरोज़गार होने में कोई शर्म नहीं है, तुम्हें अपने माँ बाप के ऊपर बोझ बनने में कोई शर्म नहीं है, तुम्हें शर्म नहीं है कि तुम अपने दोस्तों के, अपने घर वालों के टुकड़ों पे पल रहे हो, तुम्हें नहीं शर्म कि अगर तुम्हारा अगला बच्चा होता है फ्यूचर में जाके, तो तुम उसकी इच्छाएं तक फ्यूचर पूरी कर पाओ फ्यूचर में जाके, तुम्हें इस बात से नहीं शर्म. अगर कोई बड़ा ये बात बोलता है और जिस बंदे को इसकी बात सुननी होती है एक रीज़न बना के, दैट हे दैट्स अ बिग इन्फ्लुएंसर, ही इज सेइंग दैट ही इज सेलिंग गुटखा, he is selling me unemployment, he is selling me drugs, I want to take drugs but I need a reason, a valid reason to take that drugs. So what I will do, I will take that advertisement from as an example and I will promote in front of you that hey, I don't want to eat drugs, I don't want to smoke, I don't want to drink, I don't want to be a berozgar person, but the person who is so much successful is saying that this is a good thing, so I got a reason, that's why I am doing this. And let's get back to the same scenario. जो बंदा काम करना नहीं चाहता, जो बंदा अपनी लाइफ में कुछ उखाड़ना नहीं चाहता, जो बंदा पूरी लाइफ अपने बेरोजगार रहना चाहता है, they will find a reason from that government topic and take it like this. Hey, मोदी जी ने कहा है, ऐसा नहीं ऐसा होगा, मोदी जी चला रहे हैं, मोदी जी ने ऐसा किया है, कोई रीज़न ही होगा, बड़ा आदमी है, कुछ सही बोल रहा होगा, हिंदू हैं हम, हमारे बारे में सोचते हैं, गाय में है हमारी माता, अबे सेकंड वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट एक्सपोर्टर है इंडिया बीफ में, देन हाउ द फक डिड यू इवन थिंक दैट ही वाज थिंकिंग अबाउट यू. एंड आई जस्ट सॉ अ वीडियो वेयर ही वाज सेइंग दैट मुझे बहुत चिंता होती है उन लोगों की जो बीफ खाते हैं, जो आराम से बीफ नहीं खा पाते. एंड ही वाज इन अ पोलाइट वे व्हेन द गवर्नमेंट वाज नॉट हियर, एंड ही वाज सेइंग, आई वाज लाइक डैम, ही वाज टू डिफरेंट स्टैंडर्ड्स ऑफ अ गाय. How could that kind of a possible be a person for our country, leading our country to a dark future? And I was like, damn. Now there are not things which makes me surprised, because these are the things on which we are the type of a people who really cares about a country, frustrated about, don't have the power to do anything, don't have the right to do anything, don't have a right to take a step, don't have a medium to take any actions, and we are so much frustrated about it because we don't have it right now. But the people who have it are enjoying it. They're just like, हाँ हम आलीशान अपने घर में रहते हैं, हमें घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ता, तुम चाहे मरो भाड़ में जाओ, ये है. I was like, okay, no issue. Once as I have already told you that maybe I don't have power today, maybe I don't have power tomorrow, but whenever the power comes, I will make a change. I will make a goddamn change, and you are going to remember it. Okay? That's what I will do. And that's why I am preparing myself to be a part of that futuristic war, which makes me think that I am going to crack it, I am going to be a part of it, and I am going to be the part of a great thing. That's what I am preparing. Let's get back to this topic that, hey, what is this? If you don't understand this, that they are giving you circuses and breads. What's in breads? Freebies, free utilities, free schemes, and everything is free. See, the China is one of the country which started at the same level when we got a freedom. But now why it is so much developed? I just recently saw a Jolly LLP review, and from that I get to know that this story from it, that China was one of the poorest country at that time, and we are also, but we are on the same plane, but it's on a different, another level, planet part of it. He's on a innovations of flying car and flying everything and robots, technology they are talking about, but we are not. The difference is why they don't promote garibi. They don't promote that it's okay to be garib. Okay? At that time, they were doing, government is doing this, that hey, are you a garib person? You don't have money, you don't have anything. So do one thing. What you will do? You have to work. You have to make your hands, your legs to do the work, to make a generational change, to make change for yourself. We are the government. We will help you to find the we will help you to find the employment, but not help you to be sit in a home and enjoy the freebies. We will not do that. You have to work on your feet. You have to do hard work. You have to change your own generation from your own hands. You have to take responsibility for your life. We will take responsibility for your employment, but for your life you are more responsible than we are. That's why they are more developed than our country. And this one thing make me question every single decision in our country by our prime minister or by every powerful big person, that hey, what the fuck even are you doing? Because you are not making a change, you are not expanding on educational system, you are not expanding on the things we are really needed, then why the hell we are even needed you? I just want to ask that. I just want to ask from you, not from the government, that hey, I am frustrated, why are not you? Why are not you just sitting on the behind a mobile phone and you are just watching the video and not frustrated from it? Because I am frustrated from it, that comparison is the joy of killer. Then you are never going to grow. People say that hey, comparison is the joy of a killer. अगर तुम सक्सेसफुल हो तो अपनी सक्सेस में खुश रहो. तुम्हें और ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल होने की क्या ज़रूरत है? इससे ज़्यादा गरीब हो, गरीब रहो. अमीर होने की क्या ज़रूरत है? गरीबी को एज अ इंजॉयमेंट माना जाता है सोसाइटी में, एंड अमीरी को एज अ टैबू, एज अ यू मीन टू से एज अ सेक्सुअल प्रोडक्ट माना जाता है. इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ सेक्सुअल प्रोडक्ट, दैट इफ यू आर अमीर देन यू आर अ बैड पर्सन. You earn from garib logs and you earn in the bad way. That's what our government really use as a thing to manipulate you, and you are manipulated at the same time. That's not just government faults. You have to understand it's your fault that you are garib. That's it. You have to understand. And there are many people who will criticize me on this, that hey, हम गरीब हैं, हम गरीब पैदा हुए हैं, हमें ये नहीं किया था, वो नहीं किया था, हम यहाँ रहते हैं, हमारे पास अपॉर्चुनिटी है. Everyone have an excuse. Everyone have an excuse to not do things. But the truth is, whether are you able to find the reason to make the change in your life or not? The question is that China find a reason to make a change in their society. China find a reason to make global change. China find a reason to make a stand for itself. China make a decision to remove poverty, not to celebrate poverty as a freedom, but to think that poverty as a taboo and remove from the society, and what India think is completely opposite to it. That's why we are here and China is there. If even after explaining of these things you don't understand what the difference between China and India, why the circus and bread are a reference for it, and IPL and betting apps are the circuses, and they are giving us these things to not get revolted, then I don't think you are probably going to understand this from your whole life, that things there are more matter than you think. These things are even more criticized because the war you are not going to fight is the war your children have to fight. In Nepal, I don't know anything about it. Okay, just let me clear it out from your hand that I have so much knowledge about the China's water. I don't. So let's talk a little bit about that. China, today's Gen Z generation, which is called Generation Z. This generation fight for their freedom. For example, if they don't fight for freedom, what happens? They get married, they got child, their child get education, and when their child grow up, and when he or she realize that hey, we are living in not a very good society where we don't have any freedom, then they will have to revolt. They have to fight the war. So if you are not going to fight the war for your family, for the society or the people you live for, or the सोसाइटी, जिस सोसाइटी का गुणगान कर करके हमारे घर वाले, बाहर वाले, रिश्तेदार, माँ बाप, दुनिया का हर एक बंदा सोसाइटी का नाम ले लेके सोसाइटी में नाक कटेगी, ये होगा वो होगा। अगर तुम इस सोसाइटी को बदलना चाहते हो, तुम नहीं बदलते, then what happen is, if you are not changing the society, you are not fighting the war in the society, you are not making any change in the society, then your children is going to face it. If you are not going to fight the war, then the war have to face by your children. When the revolt is taken by our children and the things have been changed by our children, the responsibilities have been taken by our children and it will be their responsibility. So if you don't want to change anything, okay, but before that you have to think it that, hey, whether I am wanted my children to be burdened by this major responsibility or not, whether I wanted him to be burdened by the things which I don't take it, which I don't have the courage to take it. So whether I wanted my children to take that courage or I have to take the courage, then you have to do that, because it is inevitable that the war you don't fight is your children going to fight. And if you understand this, you are going to win your life. No matter about money, changing society, taking a step against the government, no matter what the condition is, if you think about it, this war type scenario, then you will understand that how important it is you to be a successful person. Okay? So I hope you understand my words and really get to know that how you have to get out of how, not how. I'm not telling you the way. Why you should get out of the circus and the bread thing to make a revolution for your future generation, for your future sons or daughters. Why you needed to take a step for yourself, for your career, for the government, for whatever the reason you have. Not everyone can be a part of a revolt, but everyone can support it. Okay, so I don't know whether you be a part of a revolt or not. I just want you to know that whatever your reason is, just think about it, not for yourself but your future generation. Because as I have already told you, the war which you don't fight, children have to fight it. So that's for all today's guy. I know I'm frustrated and maybe you are too after listening to this thing. The thing is, we have to take a change. We have to take a chance for ourselves. We have to do whatever the hell we have in our hand. And I'm going to try my best, no matter what it takes. And I hope you understand this and you really enjoyed it. So I hope you like my video. If you do, please like, share to this to as much as people possible, because people have to know that there are people. They have to understand it from beside, or I say beyond the WhatsApp university. They have to understand what really matters, what really should matters in their life, what really should they have to do. You need to understand that, and I hope you will understand. You should please share to as much as people possible, and comment me any suggestion if you like to, and subscribe me to encourage me, because as you know I have 0 subscribers right now. So I'm going to ask for it, just for my confidence. And even though you don't, but I will try to stable my confidence as far as possible. I will try my best. I'm going to do this no matter what it takes. So see you in my next video. I hope till then you are going to again be 1% better in your life. I hope you are going to do well. See you soon. Okay, bye bye.